5 rules rich people follow. Most of us were raised in an education system designed for the industrial age. You were taught how to be a good employee, how to follow instructions, and how to calculate the area of a circle. But did anyone ever teach you how to defend your mind against a trillion-dollar advertising industry? Did a teacher ever explain why you feel a physical need to upgrade your phone, even when your current one works perfectly? Or why, despite making more money than you did 5 years ago, your bank account feels just as empty? Today, we are hosting a Capital Compass Masterclass. We're going to dismantle the architecture of poverty and replace it with 5 specific money rules that school ignored. This isn't just about math, it's about biology, psychology, and the hidden taxes on your time. Before we unlock rule number 1, do me a favor. If you're tired of the earn, spend, repeat cycle and you're ready to start building a legacy, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We're building a community of owners here, and I want you in the room. Rule 1. The dopamine trap and the 48-hour rule. Let's start with the invisible enemy. School taught you that spending is a choice. Biology tells us it's a reflex. Every time you see an ad tailored to your interests, it's not a coincidence. It's AI. These algorithms are designed to trigger a dopamine loop. You feel a microvoid, maybe you're stressed or bored, and the Buy Now button promises a quick fix. The problem? The pleasure of the purchase lasts minutes, but the financial cost lasts weeks. Here is rule number 1. The 48-hour rule. For any non-essential purchase over $50, you must wait exactly 48 hours before pulling the trigger. This isn't about deprivation, it's about moving the decision from your emotional brain to your logical brain. Rule 2. The velocity of compound growth. The work-along. Now that we've stopped the bleeding, let's talk about the engine. School taught you interest exists. They didn't teach you that time is a more powerful multiplier than money. I want you to pull out your phone right now. Open your browser and search for Compound Interest Calculator. Let's do this together. Step 1. Set your initial investment to $0. Step 2. Set your monthly contribution to $215. That's roughly $50 a week. A strategy we recently broke down in this $50 habit can make you rich. Step 3. Set the time frame to 35 years. Step 4. Set the estimated interest rate to 8%, the historical average of the S&P 500. Look at that number. Over $460,000. Now, watch what happens if you wait just 10 years to start. Change that 35 years to 25. The number drops to $200,000. You lost over $250,000 by waiting a decade. Rule number 2. The velocity of growth. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Rule 3. Tax-advantaged fortresses. Rule number 3 is the rule of the leak. Most people focus on how much they make. The wealthy focus on how much they keep. If you put your money in a standard savings account, you're losing. Between income tax and inflation, your safe money is shrinking. You need to build tax-advantaged fortresses. Whether it's an ISA, a Roth IRA, or a 401k, these accounts are legal shields that stop the government from taking a bite out of your compound growth. I want to hear from you in the comments. Which tax fortress are you currently using, or which one are you planning to open this month? Let's help each other navigate the best options for our regions. Rule 4. The inflation tax and asset diversity. Rule number 4. Cash is a melting ice cube. School taught us that saving is good. They forgot to mention that if the supply of money increases by 10% a year and your savings account pays 1%, you are actually getting 9% per every year. To survive, you must own assets that the government cannot print away. This is why we talk about Bitcoin as digital gold. It's a scarcity-based hedge against a world of infinite money printing. Diversity isn't just a buzzword, it's your survival kit. Rule 5. The U asset. The ultimate ROI. Finally, the rule that makes everything else possible. Rule number 5. Invest in the U asset. Markets can crash. Tax laws can change. But your ability to solve problems, to communicate, and to create value is unhackable. If you spend $500 on a course that teaches you a skill that earns you an extra $5,000 a year, that is a 1,000% return on investment. No stock on earth can compete with that. The wrap-up, your next move. We've covered the psychology, the math, and the defense. But information without action is just entertainment. Your homework for this masterclass? Go back to Rule 1. Set up your 48-hour rule today. Then, go back to Rule 2 and start that $50 per week habit. If you need a guide on how to start that with Bitcoin specifically, watch our full breakdown right here. This $50 habit can make you rich. This is Capital Compass. We don't just watch the market, we navigate it. I'll see you in the next one.